Blizzak WS-80. Big old snowstorm. Made it through. Let me show you. If I can get my door open. See, it's right at the car. I've been pushing through it. Made it through all that. Look how deep it is. Oh yeah. Last time I showed a video, I had some issues because the snow was really sticky, where today is just all powder. So I have been going, and it got enough to where it started pushing up on top here. And as I can see here, there's didn't do anything to this bumper and nothing to this bumper. So buy the WS-80s and it'll get you out of a lot. I didn't think I'd be able to get through it. We've got about a foot here, so just wanted to document this to be able to show everyone else how great these tires have been. Oh yeah. Take a look at this. It's about 8 inches of snow. Definitely feel it pushing against the front bumper, but it's just plowing through it, not enough where it's creating a drag. Man, this is awesome. Not doing this in any summer tires for sure. Been sick. I didn't film at first because I didn't even think I was gonna get out. It was deep, like 12, 14 inches. It's all powder. I just pushed right through it. To give you a reference of how deep this is, it's all the way up to my knees right now. And WRX was able to make it through all this morning. Great day of snowboarding. As always, happy driving and enjoy.